Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Trouble's on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything.
Alright, Friday. So we were getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. This week was Gracie Lou's choice, and she chose light blue, light purple, and yellow. And so this is the look that I've created. I think it's a little bit darker than it should have been. I didn't realize the colors would come out like, I don't know, I thought they would be lighter. And I don't have a lot of pastels or light colors. I think she was in a springy mood. So for this, I used the Glam Light Cake palette. And it's a little oven. I mean, I'm sure you've all seen it, but I love the palette. Alright. That is the palette. And then this is the color story. So I used this color here, Icy Mint. I used the blue raspberry shade. I used this purple ube shade along with the shimmery lavender shade. I used the pineapple shade and the shimmery banana shade. So this right here is the Icy Mint swatched, and then the blue raspberry, and then this is the ube shade and the lavender shade, and then we have the matte yellow, which is pineapple, and the shimmery yellow, which is banana. And then I kind of wanted to keep the theme going, so I used the LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in Swell on the outer part. Then I used the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Piggy Bank in the middle. And then I used the LA Colors Neon Gel Eyeliner in Citrus. And I put that on the inner part. And then I went a step further and I used the Ofra Head in the Clouds palette. And I used this purple blush here called Purple Aurora and the corresponding purple shifting highlighter, which is called Fantasy. Let me see if I can get it to shift purple. It is a lavender shift. So that is what I used for the inner corner, the brow bone, and my highlight. I was going to use a purple lipstick, but I did not have the right shade for the look. I have this, but it's really pink. And then I have this, but it's really dark, like dark grapey color. So this is the look that I have created for Gracie Lou. For this week's Shady Friday look. I'm excited about this palette. I think I'm going to have to dig into it a little bit more. All right, so there is a playlist, and that is down in the description box. Go ahead and check out the playlist. It has the rest of the ladies on there. They all are going to be doing the same colors, but I guarantee you they're going to look different than this. So go check out what they created using the colors light blue, light purple, and yellow. Okay, so again, check out that playlist. Go send them some love. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget